Hello friends, welcome to this kitchen. Today I will share with you how I made these beautiful colorful cassava snacks. Simple, easy and made with just few ingredients. You want to know how? Let's dive right in. Get some fresh cassava, then peel them to remove the back. After peeling, transfer it to a bowl and repeat the same process for the remaining ones. Once done with the peeling process, wash them thoroughly to make them clean. And now that we have the cassava all clean, we cut into smaller sizes. Next, open up the cassava. Remove the strand at the middle. Discard them, then repeat the same process for the remaining cassava. And after cutting them into smaller size and removing the strand in between the cassava, this is how they should look like. Next, transfer them into a cooking pot. Add enough water. Cook them until they become soft. Then strain the water from there and transfer into a bowl. Next, mash with a potato masher. If you don't have a potato masher, you can use anything to mash them until they become very smooth. Please ensure to mash well until it becomes very smooth, because the smoother it is, the better for the snacks. And after mash and it becomes smooth, add some cassava starch so that the dough can become more firm. I also went in with some sugar, salt, and few drops of vanilla flavor. Mix well to be well combined. And after mixing and it is well combined, you can see we have a stronger dough. Next, I divided the dough into two equal parts. I set one part of it aside. Then to the other part, added pink food coloring and mix well to be well combined. After mixing, I got this beautiful amazing pink dough. I transferred to a flat surface and then flatten the dough with a rolling pin. Align the oval tray with parchment paper and set aside. And also, I'll be cutting out the dough beautifully with this cookies cutter. And now, I begin to press in the cookies cutter gently into the flattened dough and cut out different shapes with it. And after cutting, remove the excess dough and add the cassava snacks into an oval tray. Repeat the same process for all the dough and set them aside. And next, I will also be adding yellow food coloring to the remaining dough. And I also mix thoroughly to be well combined. And after mixing and it's well combined, we got this beautiful yellow cassava dough. Transfer to flat surface and flatten with a rolling pin. And once flattened, repeat the same process to these two and add them to the oval tray. And here we have our well cut out colorful cassava snacks ready to be baked. Baked for 25 minutes and they are ready. You can enjoy this with tea or any drink of your choice. And now you can see that this is very simple and entirely made from cassava. Try this out and let me know how it came out for you in comments. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.